Hello.
What's up, guys? Back in another vlog. Same color as me. Today we got a replacement for our lip. I've been wanting this lip for so long. It's been 4 months trying to find this lip, and I finally found it. Got the lip right here. It's only for sedans and coupes. I'm gonna risk it, see if hatchback fits, but I test fitted it on yesterday. I think yesterday, yeah. From afar, looks fit. I mean, even close, it's fit. Before that, today we are paint matching the lip. We are going to use Touch Up Direct paint. I got the whole kit with the primer, with the Agan blue, and we got the clear coat, which I looked at it and it's destroyed with a cap.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because...
So, I mean, you know, it happens with the shipping. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to unveil this lip from the plastic. I'm gonna clean it a little bit with some alcohol. I only have hand sanitizer right now, sadly. I don't have any rubbing alcohol. I was gonna put it here, but mix it with water, but right now, nothing, nada. So, I am going to unveil this lip and I'll be back. Okay, so the only side I'm gonna paint my lip is gonna be the front and the top. This is how it's gonna look like. It's actually a pretty decent lip. Less aggressive than the one that I have. I also got a front splitter, so it'll go well with this one. Now we're gonna prep it and bubble time. I'm gonna primer it first, and then see how it goes. Alright, so first coat is done. Forgot to mention, wear a Patriot mask because I'm inhaling these fumes. Smells horrible, but anyways, this is how it looks like now. Not perfect. That's the first coat. I'm probably gonna do maybe 3 or 4 coats. The last that I have, the one that I have now, Jesus, I put 10 coats. That's without primer, and never paint something without primer because it's gonna look weird and the paint is not gonna adhere properly. So yeah, I'm gonna wait 5 minutes and do another coat. I'm on my phone with my homeboy, so I just had a call. I'm back on my job. I literally jinxed this. I told him, Kevin, I was like, yo, listen, imagine if they call me for work because everybody's missing, and then hey, they called me. I'm back. I've been on the phone with them for so long. It's supposed to be 5 minutes waiting for primer, but it's been 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna re-primer it off the camera and then you'll see the final result of the primer. So I'll be back. Alright, I finished primering everything. Now I'm just waiting for it to dry. As you can see, primer it all the way. Don't forget to primer the edges. And I'm waiting for 30 minutes, let it dry, and then I'll sand it down. Hopefully I can finish it today. Yeah, it's not perfect when you prime it. That's how it's supposed to be, but it helps adhere the paint well. So I'll be back, and then we're gonna put the color coat. So finally wet sanded it. It's not perfect. You see the imperfections right there. So it's really smooth now. Hopefully the paint will stick on much better than my old lip. I'm going to spray it with the paint coat. So I'll be back. First coat is in. As expected, not perfect. Always expect it's not perfect. So there are some spots that I oversprayed because I don't have any jack stands to actually put this on. These areas right here, like right here. But we can fix it, sanding it down. I'm gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes, put the second, third coat. I just finished painting the whole lip and it looks pretty good. Other besides the freaking mosquitoes keep coming in. The fuck that? Shit! You can see, colored, everything. This is 3 coats. There's no, there's literally the can was based on 3 to 4 coats. So I did it slowly this time. So everything is covered. What I really need covered is basically the outside part, which is gonna be, you know, outside of the car. Inside part not so much, since nobody's really gonna see it unless you go underneath. Yeah, so it's pretty good. This is super light. This is lighter than a primer. Primer still has a lot more. It adhered well. Unfortunately, I cannot install this for on Sunday for get low. But definitely I'm going to install it after Sunday. So right now I'm letting it dry 30 minutes. So I'll be back. I forgot my shirt. It's supposed to be in my working shirt right now. But I got my lip ready. It's not perfect, but all the imperfections are gonna be hidden. Yeah, I think it will be fine. So it's been 24, 36 hours that's been drying. So yeah, I'm gonna move my car. We'll put it in place. Place my car where it's supposed to be. I'm going to jack it up and then we'll install the lip. Man, this is loud. We have the front lip right here. Everything. So we got the car in the wood block now, and then we're jacking up.
You look so nice in your shirt.
So we got the lip right here. We'll remove the old lip. See my screws in here. I have the drill here. I am going to remove the clip, remove the whole bumper.
Look at me. Look at me.
So yeah, I'm gonna remove all the bolts they put on. Jesus, at 1, 2. We got it removed. So this is much easier. Got the lip done, as you can see right there. Not the perfect fitment, but I try to make it perfect as I can, because there's a little bit gap right here, just a little bit, just like about a ½ inch, but it looks really good. Like paint match and everything looks really good. So finally finished the bumper. Few complications, just putting it back on. It was hitting my headlights, like here. It looks really nice. Inside. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead, get something to eat, and then I'm gonna wash the car. So I'll be right back. Just finished cleaning the car inside. Not the best one, it's just a really quick one. I want to detail it when I get home, and then I'm gonna wash my car. Alright, so finally finished detailing my car. Now I just have to wait to dry. Come on, man. Come on. Like, I feel like the imperfections doesn't matter. If you guys have any questions, go comment down below or DM me on Instagram as always. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.